Hi guys, Lola here. Today we're going to answer a simple but important question. What exactly is an ETF? ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it like a basket that holds lots of different investments inside it, like stocks, bonds, or even commodities. Instead of buying just one company's stock, when you buy an ETF, you're buying a little piece of the whole basket. Here's how it works. An ETF is built to track the performance of something, like the S&P 500, which includes 500 of the biggest US companies. When you invest in that ETF, you're instantly getting exposure to all 500 companies at once. That means less risk than betting everything on a single stock and more convenience because you don't have to buy dozens or hundreds of stocks individually. The exchange-traded part simply means that ETFs are bought and sold on the stock market, just like normal shares of a company. You can trade them throughout the day at market prices, which makes them flexible and easy to use. In short, an ETF is a simple, cost-effective way to diversify your investments and start building long-term wealth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more clear financial insights.